Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss how to identify even number from the given array and how we are going to sum up all the even number from the given array. So just see over here, like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the number we have in the given array. We have to identify the even number. What is the even number? 2, 4, 6, and 8. All this we have to identify. First of all, identify all the even number from the given array, and we have to sum all the even number. Okay. So what is sum of all the even number? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. So the number answer would be 20. So we have to write program. Okay, and we have to get output 20. Okay. So first of all, we have to we have to suppose for guys to write any program, to write any logic. Okay, first of all, we cannot jump to the conclusion and we cannot write the code directly. First of all, we have to we have to we have to cut the code into pieces and pieces. Okay, we have to take piece by piece and we have to write the code. Okay, we cannot write the code in one go. Okay, you have to think and you have to cut into the pieces and then you have to get the flow. Okay, we have to break down the requirement what we have, and we have to break down, and then we can we can get the solution. Okay, it's not like we can write the program in a one go. We have to break the code in the pieces and then we have to write and then we can get the output. Okay, so now this is the thing we have to get. What is our requirement? We have to get all the even number and we have to sum up all the even number. Okay, so when we have studied in our school days and all, we know about what is even number. Any number which is divided by 2 is even number. Suppose in here, can 1 be divided, if 1 divided by 2, can 1 be divided by 2? No. So if we divide also, what would be the remainder? There will be some remainder like 0.5. Like if we divide also, it will get 0.5. Okay, 0.5. So any number like 2 divided by 2, what would be the remainder? 0, because it will totally 2 1 the 2 will remainder 0, right? 4, can 4 be divided by 2? Yeah. What is the remainder? 0. Okay, so 6 divided by 2, what is the remainder? 0. But if we divide 1 3 5 7, if we divide by 2 also, there will be no, there will be remainder. It means what? If the remainder is coming 0, it means what? It is divided by, 2 and it is an even number. If remainder is not coming 0, it means what? Suppose it is coming 1. It is coming 1. Suppose 3 divided by 2. 2 1 the 2. Okay, what is the remainder over here? It 1 will be remain over there, right? So what is the meaning of that? 3 is not an even number. The same of 7. If if 7 if 7 divided by 2, so 2 3 is a 6. So remainder is 3. It means what? It is not an even number. It is an odd number. It is an odd number. Okay. So can I take like any number, or in mathematics, in programming language, if any number percentile by 2, it means what? Number, and it is percentile 2 equal to 0, it means what? It is an even number. Okay, percentile means what, right? Number divided by 2, if is equal to 0, it means what? It is an even number. Okay, it is an even number. It is an even number. Okay, so that is the condition we can identify from this, like number percentile 2 equal to 0, it means what? Any number divided by 2 and it is giving 0, it is an even number. Okay, if it is giving 1, it is an odd number. Okay, so now how we are going to implement in our programming, and let's start the coding and you will understand more about it. So right click, new Java class file, just take a name, even someone, public static void main string args, just define one array int ar equal to 1 comma 2 comma comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8. Okay, and we take any if one integer count equal to 0. Okay, because whatever the sum is coming, we are storing into this count. Okay, we'll see how we are going to use this count. I'll explain you. Don't worry about that. Now we have to iterate each and every number of this integer array, right? For that, we are going to use for loop. Always remember, if you want to iterate each and every number to this given array, either it's a string array or an integer array, whatever array it is, we have to use for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than ar dot length I plus plus. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to put one condition. What condition I told you? The condition which I have told you, like if any number percentile 2 equal to 0, okay, then it is an even number. So the same logic we are going to apply. If any AR of I, AR of I means what? That AR of 0 means 1, AR of 1, 2, AR of 2, 3, AR of 4, AR of 3, okay, AR of 3, 4. It is like 0, 1, 2, 3. It will take each and every number. Okay, AR of 0, AR of 1, AR of 2. Okay, it will take like this. Okay, is equal to AR of I percentile 2. So if any number from any number, one number, 1 percentile 2, okay, equal to 0. Okay, it means what? AR of 0. So can it first of all 1 will come. 1 percentile 2 equal to 0? No, because 1 divided by 2. No, 1 is not divided by 2. So it will not come inside. Again, 2 divided by 2, yeah, 2 divided by 2 and it gives 0, yeah. So 2 divided by 2 equal to 0, yeah. It will come over here. Then what we can do, count is equal to count plus AR of I. So what will happen, guys? What will happen? So 2 will come. Okay, so this condition, AR of 0, AR of 1, AR of 1, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Then what will happen? Count is equal to count plus AR of I. So what is the count value? 0. 0. So what is the called? 0. 0 plus. Okay. Then AR of I. What is the AR of I? It is 0, right? AR of 0. What is that? 1. So AR of for AR of AR of 1. What is the AR of 1 now? 2, right? 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Okay. Because for AR of 0, percentile 2, it will not come because 1 is not divided by 2. Then it will not come. Then 2 divided by 2, yes, 2 divided by 2, and it gives 0. Because if we divide 1 divided by 2, it will not give remainder as 0. Okay. But if 2 divided by 2, it will give remainder 0. Then it is going to come this in this block. Then it is going to come in this block. So when this is going to come in this block, then what will the count is going to be happen? Count was 0. 0 plus AR of 1. What is the AR of 1? 2. So 0 plus 2, 2. Fine. Again, 3. 3 divided by 2? No. 3 will be divided by 2, but it will not get to, but the remainder will be not be 0. It will be like 1. Then are these going to come inside over here? No. For 3, it is not going to come. Okay. For 4. Yeah. 4 divided by 2? Yeah. It will give a remainder 0. Yes. Then what will happen? Then 4 will come. Okay. Then what was the count value? 2, right? It was the 2. And then 2 plus AR of 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. So 2 plus AR of 3. What is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay. What is 0, 1, 2, 3? AR of 3. 2 plus what is the AR of 3? 4. 4. What is the value become? It becomes 6. Again. Now 5. For 5 it is going to come 5 divided by 2. Yeah, 5 will be divided by 2, but remainder will be not 0. It is not going to come. 6 divided by 2, yeah. And the remainder will be 0. Yeah, it is going to come. Yeah. Then what will happen? The previous was 6, right? Okay. Then what will happen? The previous count was 6. So 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 because 6, and then this 6 will come because AR of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. AR of 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Fine. Again, for 7 it will come. No, it will not come. For 8, yeah, 8 is going to come. 8 divided by 2, it will give remainder 0. And then what was the value? Count value. The previous was 12. 12 plus 8. What is the count? Total. What is the sum? 20. Okay. Now we can print it. Sum dot print from. Just run this program. Now we can see the number is 20. So by this logic, what we identify first of all, we identify by this logic, we identify what is the even number from this array, and then we take one initialized count as 0, and then we whatever the number is coming, okay, we are adding into this count plus count of year of I, okay, like whatever the coming, like 0 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, and then on. Okay, this is the way we can identify which is even, and then we can sum up of all the even number from the given integer array. Okay, so guys, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channels. Okay, be happy and be safe.